The point of this Show Me is to explain how to properly post your problem in the Google Doc. When you're all done, you can hit the export button in the top right hand corner. We're going to export this as a video. Then, after hitting video, we're going to export this to YouTube. Basically, on this screen, you just have to hit publish so that everyone has access to it. Now, this is where you actually get a copy of the URL of where your YouTube video or answer is going to be kept. So go ahead and copy to clipboard. Then proceed to go to the Google Docs that is outlining all the problems. And at the very, very top, I have one that's labeled Practice, which I will post this video there. I just copied and pasted the URL link and turned it active. And it should look, when you're all done, something like this. Notice now that it's in blue. Anytime you click on that YouTube watch video, you should see this video.